I'm a chapter ahead, mate.
Well, you're not. Okay, what am I doing in real life right now?
You
What the fuck? You know too much.
raw, Jesus.
I'm joking. I don't
Actually, no,
care.
I'm being sharky. Mate, say it again. I'll fucking eat you. You beaver-looking cunt.
I don't care.
Mate, get the fuck off me. Who do you think you are? Mate, do you know who I am, mate? I was Muhammad Ali's sparring partner, mate. I swear. Cyrus, who the fuck are you?
Ow! No, just let the control! No!
Get away from me.
How do I jump? How do I jump?
How the fuck do you care? You're a Nick Hope die.
Oh, I won. Yes, lad. Yeah. Uh oh. No. 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 We can talk. We can talk. You don't have to do it. Oh yeah, no. Work together. Work together. Work together.
No! How do I get up?
No. I'm.
So beautiful.
Oh wow. That I just hit you with a fucking lollipop. You click that button on your controller. Don't fall off, Si. Fucking hell, lad.
I'm not falling.
Bruh.
Straight to the fucking jaw.
Get off me. Get off
Give
me.
me your fucking
What
chest!
the fuck are you doing, Taylor?
Nice shots, mate. Ow! No, get Taylor. He's got a weapon. How do you kick?
Oh.
Oh, yeah, Lewis kept this secret ages.
Uh oh.
Ain't no way, boy, ain't no way.
Just focus on getting Taylor!
Did I win?
You're about to, because Taylor's having a seizure. Yeah, he's straight in the fucking head.
No!
Si, if you die now, I swear, I just give you a win. Si.
No! You...
Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh, I can't believe I smacked him straight in the fucking face with a fucking fish.
You know what,
Does it
Nick, I
happen?
hate you.
Oh, wow.
Let's go, I got an achievement.
Are you taking the piss?
Oh, hey,
Taking the
Cyrus. How you doing?
You don't know where I am.
What is that?
piss? How do you grab stuff?
I have the high ground.
Johnny, I actually hate
How are you grabbing?
He just put his head in half.
Ain't no way you're not.
Why
Yeah,
are you looking
I
at him
get
with
what the
his,
fuck?
when he's got a shovel in his hand?
No, I'm gone.
How do I drop shit?
He's helpless, you prick.
How do I drop shit? Oh, I won.
This is the type of game to make me hate you. Correct? As long as Lewis just drowns, I'm happy.
Why are you dying?
Behind.
What the fuck?
Ain't no fucking way.
Oh.
Are you taking the piss?
No, get off. What are you doing?
Why do I drown first?
No way.
I'm a shark, mate. What do you
There's no
expect?
way.
Let's fucking
He's
go.
actually gonna win on the ocean map.
Firstly, you're an eek.
No, it's got a bomb. I probably shouldn't be screaming that.
I can.
Get up, Bruce. What are you doing? Dick, honestly, what the fuck is that?
Taylor, you gotta win or he wins.
Get knocked out.
He's just beating me once I'm trying to get up.
Bro, I swear my punches are like fucking pillows.
Hold on.
It's like I'm wearing fucking boxing gloves and you lot have got. Oh my god. No, there's no way Taylor's alive. Oh, yes, let's fucking go. Yeah,
What a screenshot.
that's cold.
I'm tossing you up.
Oh my god. Party animals, NSFW.
Party animals, not safe for work.
That's what that means, mate.
Why they fucking knocked out? What's this bullshit? What the fuck? I didn't.
Oh, that's fucking class.
I know. I put it right on you. And it just went somewhere else.
No! Fuck!
You fucking need.
Are you serious? What?
Yes!
What is that? I fucking threw you off. I just slipped. Nah, that's some bullshit. I swear, I'm pissed. I got robbed. I'm getting my. Why am I humping you? Die, man.
Stay in one spot.
How are you alive?
Where the fuck is that going, man?
How is he alive?
Don't you hear? Sharks can fly, mate. You ever seen Sharknado? Ooh. Ow. Taylor.
Bro. Taylor.
Apparently, oh my god, man.
Oh, he's taking the piss. Nobody's seen that.
We all saw that, mate. What are you on about? Why am I getting bummed? I'm actually being bummed. What is this? Mate, it's a 2v1. What's that?
Not there at all.
Are you
Juke,
Bro, hit him.
juke.
Oh!
Come on, swing the fucking rat.
No.
Yes, yes.
Why is
A fucking look at that.
Why is this neat fun then?
Why is this? I can hear that. What the fuck?
It already came from downloading the sound effects.
That's a 4th wall break, mate. Or is that 5th wall? Because I've not even done it yet. Mate, you just created a new plane of dimension. Shit.
How does that reach?
Yes! Mate, I just copied that shit. I'm like Shaquille O'Neal, I only get dunks.
Ain't he dead? Oh no. Okay.
No! Is Shaquille O'Neal dead? No. Hey. Yo, I got one too.
Wait, you know what else you're gonna be slipping on?
Get off!
Let's go.
Why wouldn't he climb?
Oh, do you see Angelo?
Oh my god! Are you serious? Are you serious? Are you serious? I just went flying because of that.
Why do I keep getting knocked out? I ain't even had a chance to move.
What? Wait, you said what? Oh my god! Oh my... What the fuck was that, Kobe? It landed right on me. That was unbelievable, Cyrus. Oh my god.
I can't. Every time. Go fucking chill.
Oh my god! Oh my god! I didn't even know you could go that way. I blew you over the safety range. I didn't even know you could do that. Bye, Taylor.
I
Go on.
I hate you, Lewis. I hope you die.
It's not nice.
It's-
Oh, come on. Why aren't you picking him up? Grab the fucking... Oh my god. Holy shit. I got angry. I got angry, sorry. I got a bit mad. Fucking...
Dragged me from my head.
I just did a Miss Trunchbull on your ass.
Bro.
Yeah, let's go, bro. Hey, yo, grab his ass.
Wait, I'm itching to tap your back, Lewis. You know what? I'm gonna spit your butt cheeks and get the tattle all over my face.
You got my nose.